Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to add the one audio file with my Instagram video and it shows cannot add audio. Please try again. So now one more time I try to check it. But again it shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this issue happening? So my guessing is this is occurs if you upload the high quality videos like 4K and 8K formats, because sometimes this Instagram does not allow to upload the high quality videos. So you can upload the maximum of 1080 pixel videos. So for example, here I get this error message while I try to upload the 4K video. So now I decide to compress this video to 1080 pixel, and here I does not using any external app because in my Xiaomi device it default have the editing options. So I try to open that video. So now in this section you can press this cut tool icon. So here you can see in top it shows that video file format like 4K. So now I try to change this format to 1080 pixel and click to save these changes and it starts to exporting. So be patient. At same time, if your device does not have any editing feature, you can install the any video editing app from Play Store and this process is completed. And one more time I try to upload this compressed video to my Instagram reel. And this is that video. So now I try to add the one new audio file. But friends, now this time you can see this audio file is successfully added with my video. So now this time it does not show that previously occurred error message. So if you like to overcome this error message, you must compress your original video file. But some YouTube video shows if you get this error message, just one time clear that Instagram app data and then this problem is fixed. So my suggestion is don't clear your Insta app data and this is waste of time. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.